Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode of Introduction to Trigonometry, we are going to solve the questions that were asked in 2016 examination. So before starting the questions, I request you to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon which is near to it, so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. And if you have already subscribed to it, I express my sincere thanks from the very core of my heart. So let us start with the introduction to trigonometry and the questions that were asked in 2016 examination. Friends, here is the first question. Find the value of sec square 42 minus cosec square 48. Here the angle is 42 degrees and this is 48 degree, and sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. It means these two angles are complementary angles. So this 42 I will write as sec square 90 minus 48. Means instead of 42 I am just writing 90 minus 48, because 90 minus 48 is nothing but 42, minus I will keep it as it is cosec square 48. Now this sec 90 minus theta, that is equal to cosec theta, we know. So sec square 90 minus theta will be equal to sec square theta. So cosec square theta. So this we can write as cosec square 48 minus cosec square 48, and both these numbers are same, so their difference will be equal to 0, and so the answer to this question is 0. Friends, here is the another question. If into bracket 1 plus cos a close the bracket into another bracket 1 minus cos a close the bracket is equal to 3 by 4, then find the value of sec a. Here it is given that 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a, which is equal to 3 by 4, and we have to find the value of sec a. Here this is a plus b and a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So a is 1 and b is cos a. So a square, that is 1 square, will be 1 minus b square, that is cos square a, which is equal to 3 by 4. Now 1 minus cos square a, that is equal to 3 by 4. So if you take cos square a to other side and 3 by 4 to this side, you will get 1 minus 3 by 4, which is equal to cos square a. 1 minus 3 by 4 is 4 will be the LCM. Here we will multiply by 4, so it will be 4 minus 3 upon 4, which is equal to cos square a. And so 4 minus 3, that is 1 by 4, which is equal to cos square a. Here friends, we are getting cos square a is equal to 1 by 4. So cos square a is equal to 1 by 4. Take the square root of both the sides, so we will get cos a is equal to plus minus 1/2. And friends, this is the accident prone area. I call it as a accident prone area because maximum chances of taking accidents place are here. Because when we take a square root of a number, we just take is 1/2. Only we consider the positive sign, but here you have to consider both the positive and the negative sign. So always keep a watch, be careful wherever there is a accident prone area. Now take the reciprocal of both the sides. So it will be 1 upon cos a, which is equal to plus minus 2, and 1 upon cos a is nothing but sec a, that is equal to plus minus 2, and so the required value of sec a, that is equal to plus and minus 2. Let us see the other question that was asked in 2016 examination. Friends, this is not from the one question paper. I have collected all the questions from the different question papers from different regions, Chennai region, Delhi region, then the outside India. So I have taken all the questions. So here if cosec a plus cot a is equal to x, find the value of cosec A minus cot A. Here friends, it is given that cosec A plus cot A, which is equal to x. We know that cosec square A minus cot square A, that is equal to 1. We know this, that but cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1, and therefore this is just A square minus B square, so it will be cosec A minus cot A into other bracket cosec A plus cot A, which is equal to 1. But cosec A plus cot A, that is what? It is equal to x. So this will be cosec A minus cot A into x, which is equal to 1. We have to find the value of cosec A minus cot A. So shift x to the other side. So it will be cosec A minus cot A, which is equal to 1 by x. And therefore the required value of cosec A minus cot A, that is equal to 1 by x. Friends, I have created the few videos in which I have selected the questions from 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2016 examination papers on the topic pair of linear equations in two variables. The links of these all videos are provided in the description box. I hope you will go through these also, because these are the most important questions, because that are asked in the previous question papers. Friends, the next question that was asked in the 2016 was that sin A is equal to 12 by 13. Find the value of sin square A minus cos square A upon 2 sin A cos A into 1 upon tan square A. Here sin A means opposite side upon adjacent side. So here in a right angle triangle, if this angle is A, this is B and this is C, right angled at C, then sin A is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So we will take the opposite side as 12k and the hypotenuse as 13k and find the third side remaining. So here in triangle ABC, here sin AB square, BC square plus AC square, so AC square plus BC square, which is equal to AB square, that is by Pythagoras theorem. So AC square, that is we have to find, plus BC square is, so plus BC square, that is 12k, its square will be 144k square, which is equal to AB square, that is 13k bracket square, that will be 169k square. Take 144k square to other side, so it will be AC square, which is equal to 169 square k square minus 144k square, and so that will be 25k square. And therefore AC is equal to, taking square root of both the sides, you will get 5k. So here you have got AC as 5k. So this AC you have got 5k. And now we will find the value of sine, cos, tan and put it into this to get the value required. So here I make a space by deleting this portion. So here sin A, that we know 12 by 13, cos A, sin A, that is given as 12 by 13, cos A, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse, so cos A, which is equal to 5 by 13, because 5k by 13k, kk will be cancelled and you will get 5 by 13. And then we want tan A, so that will be equal to, tan is opposite upon adjacent, so 12k upon 5k, so it will be 12 upon 5. Now I put it into this and we will get it as sin square A minus cos square A upon 2 sin A cos A into 1 upon tan square A. So here we will put the values, that sine square a minus cos square a, that is 12 by 13 bracket square. So it will be 144 by 169 minus cos square a. So it will be 5 by 13 bracket square. So it will be 25 by 13 square will be 169 upon 2 sine a cos a, that is 2 into sine a cos a. Sine a is 12 by 13 into cos a is 5 by 13 multiplied by 1 by tan square a, that is 12 by 4 square. So 1 by 12 square is 1 by 44 upon 25. Now we will have to solve this, simplify this. So first we will solve this numerator and then this numerator. So here I remove this figure because it is not needed now, to make a space to write further. So here LCM will be 169. So 169. So 144 minus 25. So that will be 119. Then we will solve this denominator. So it will be 2 into 12 5s, that will be 60, and into 2. So 12 5s are 60 into 2, that will be 120. So it will be 120 divided by 13 into 13, that will be 169. This 169 will be cancelled, and then this part we have to solve. This will go to numerator and this will be in the denominator. So it will be 25 upon 144. So which is equal to, I write it as 119 upon 120 multiplied by, this is 25 multiplied by 144. Now friends, this solve this. So multiplying this 2, it will be 595 divided by 3456. You have to write answer up to this only, because this is just 3 marks question, and so to calculate this it will take more time. So please leave your answer here only. Friends, the next question is that if sine of a plus b is equal to 1 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of a tan a plus cot b, and second sec a minus cosec b. So friends, here we know that sine of a plus b, that is equal to 1. In place of 1 we can write as sine 90, because we know that sine 90 is equal to 1. So in place of 1 we can write sine 90. So which is sine a plus b, which is equal to sine of 90. Here the angles should be equal, that is a plus b should be equal to 90, then only these values will be equal, and therefore a plus b, that is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, it is given here that tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, tan of a minus b, which is equal to 1 by root 3. But 1 by root 3 is what? It is tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So in place of this we can write tan 30. So it is tan of a minus b, which is equal to tan of 30. So these two angles should be equal, then only these values will be equal. So it is a minus b, which is equal to 30. So let this be equation number 1 and this equation number 2. And now we will solve these two equations simultaneously to get the values of a and b. So if you add equation 1 and 2, this b and b will get cancelled and you can find the value of a. So adding 1 and 2, we get what we get, b and this b will get cancelled, and a plus a will be 2a, which is equal to 90 plus 30, that will be 120. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 zeros are 0, and therefore a is equal to 60 degrees. This is the important step, highlight it, that you got angle a, that is 60 degrees. Now put the value of a in either equation number 1 or in the equation number 2. So we will put it in equation number 1. Put in equation 1. So what you will get, a plus b is equal to 90. A is what? 60. So b will be what? 90 minus 30, 90 minus 60, that will be 30, and therefore we get B is equal to 30 degrees. Now here we have got the angles A and B, and now we can find tan A cot B and sec A cosec B. I delete this portion to make the space to write the further steps. So here friends, we will find the first value, that is tan A plus cot B. So tan A plus cot B, that is equal to, tan A is what? It is 60. So tan of 60 plus cot of 30. Cot B, B is 30. So tan 60 is what? Its value is root 3 plus cot 30 is root 3. So root 3 into root 3, that is 2 root 3. So this is your answer, first answer. So highlight this also, tan A plus cot B, that is equal to 2 root 3. Highlight this. This is A. Now we will find B the same way. So sec A minus cosec A, that is minus cosec B. So sec A is what? It is 60. So it will be sec 60 minus cosec 30. So here sec 30 is 2 and cosec 30 is 2. So 2 minus 2, that will be equal to 0. So you get sec A minus cosec B, that is equal to 0. Highlight this also. Here in this question there are 4 important steps: the value of A, the value of B, this A answer and B answer. So here highlight all these steps. These are important steps, so that your paper will be examiner friendly. So always develop the habit of making your answer sheet examiner friendly.